Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a killer landing page. First, understand your audience deeply to tailor your message effectively. Your landing page should immediately communicate your unique value, telling visitors why they should choose you. Focus on one clear objective, whether it's a sign-up or a purchase, to guide your design and content. This foundational work ensures every element serves a purpose, driving visitors toward that single, desired action. A powerful headline is crucial, capturing interest within seconds. Your body copy should then elaborate on the benefits your offer provides, rather than just listing features, to resonate with visitors. Crucially, include a prominent and clear call to action, guiding users on their next step. Don't forget to build trust with elements like customer testimonials or social proof, which can significantly boost confidence and conversions. Visual appeal and user experience are paramount. Maintain a clean, uncluttered layout with plenty of white space to improve readability and focus. Ensure your page loads quickly on all devices, especially mobile, to prevent visitors from leaving. High-quality, relevant visuals enhance engagement, while simplified forms, asking for only essential information, reduce friction and encourage completion. Building a killer landing page is an ongoing process. Continuously /B test different elements, from headlines to call-to-action buttons, to see what resonates best. Utilize analytics and heat maps to understand user behavior and identify areas for improvement. Based on this data, iterate and refine your page. Strive for a conversion rate of at least 2 to 5%, but always aim higher through consistent optimization.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.